Hi, welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read a Thanksgiving book today, since Thanksgiving is coming soon. It's called Thanks for Thanksgiving by Julie Marks, with permission from Scholastic. Thanks for Thanksgiving, for turkey and pie. Thank you for fall and gold leaves floating by. Thank you for school. I love to feel smart. Thank you for music and dancing and art. Thank you for play dates, for swings and for slides. Thank you for hopscotch and piggyback rides. Thanks for sweet puppies and soft furry cats. Thank you for dress up, red shoes, and big hats. Thank you for umbrellas, for rain boots and puddles. Thank you for mommy and warm, cozy cuddles. Thank you for daddy and rides on a sled. Thank you for kisses and tucks into bed. Thanks for the moon and the stars up above. But most of all, thanks for the family I love. Isn't that a pretty book? I just love it. Okay, if you stopped by the library and picked up your packet, I want you to see some of the things that are in it that you can make. First of all, you'll find a card and a cutout turkey and some type of fall item to put in it and a sparkly sticker. And then you can add anything that you want to the card and give to someone that you love. Okay, the other thing you'll find in there is a placemat, and it's a Thanksgiving placemat, and there's all different ones, and there's activities on the back that you might like to do. Okay? The other thing you'll find is a bookmark, and it's an owl, and it says, "Who has been reading a good book?" And you can color that and cut it out and use it in your book. And then the last activity is a turkey, and you'll want to color the feathers all different colors, and color your turkey, cut him out, glue him on your paper, okay? And then, of course, add some legs for him, okay? So I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you soon. Keep reading. Bye-bye.